I just signed up as a new client for USchedule software, and I wanted to know how the running tabs functionality works and where I can find that in the software.
You can get to running tabs or start running tabs in a couple of different places. Here at the top of the page, you'll find running tabs on this button. If you click that, you'll find any tab that is currently running, and you can start a new tab here. And this is good if your customer would like to start a tab and they don't have an appointment. Now, if we go back to your schedule page here, you can also start a running tab on an appointment. So Pamela Jones has a simulator rental scheduled. If we click on that appointment, in the navigation menu here, you'll find a start tab option. I'll click that and I'll click the go button. And this will do two things for you. It's going to start the tab and open it for you. So this puts you right on the tab that we've just created, and it's related to the simulator rental appointment. And you'll see that cost has been posted there.
Okay, great. And then what does the icon to the left of the customer name, what is that for?
That is a shortcut. You can go into your customer database and find Pamela Jones there, or you can click the icon, and that's going to open her profile for you. So a nice shortcut. And other icons on that same bar there, you've got the fork and knife icon here. That's going to take you back to the running tabs list, same as this button here at the top. And then you can edit this tab here if you need to. And then we have
What?
a few other icons here. So a shortcut back to the calendar, that's the same as clicking the schedule button here. There's a split button. So if you have a related tab, you can split items here. And you can split a tab by clicking this button here. And that makes the tab that you're splitting related to this tab. And you have an add appointment time button here. So if the customer would like to add time to the sim rental, click that button, add some time here, and then click the save button. And that's going to add the time. You'll need to resplit if you have previously split the tab. If not, if it's a single person, just leave it there. And you'll see the price has been adjusted as well.
Okay, moving to the right-hand side of the screen, could you please explain to me what each of those buttons do?
Sure. The barcode button allows you to search your product list using a barcode scanner, or you can simply type in the name of the item that you would like to add to the tab. There's a guest check option here. So when you're finished with the visit, you click the guest check button there. It's going to send a printed ticket to a local printer, and you'll be able to provide that to your guests so that they can review the items that are on the check and things they're expected to pay for. You have a move items button here. So again, if you have split a tab, you can move those items from one tab to another. You have an apply coupon option here. So if you have a coupon related to an item, just click the checkbox here for the item and then apply a coupon discount to that item. The software will recalculate the amount due and show the discount. Here's an open drawer button. So if you have a cash drawer connected, you can open the drawer by simply clicking the button. There's a capture card option here. So when this person shows up, if they don't have a card on their customer profile, you can capture a card and save it to their profile. Now this capture functionality is related to this specific tab. And with a captured card, when you go to the checkout page here, you can use that card to make a payment to cover the cost of the person's visit. If you'd like to add more items to the tab, you can click this button here, and it's going to open up your products menu, so anything you sell can be added to the tab. Again, there's your split tab button there, so you can split the tab between visitors or recombine them with this button here. And then the checkout button here is going to take you to the checkout page where you can apply payments. This delete items button here allows you to remove items from the tab. So if you need to remove something the customer decides they don't want, you can click the checkbox for the item and then delete that item from the tab. And the last option here is place order. So if you have a kitchen, you can click a checkbox here for items, typically food or beverage items, and place the order. Those items will be sent to a printer at the kitchen, and the person managing the kitchen will uh, fill that order with the food or beverage items.
Oh, thank you for showing me the functionality of the point of sale running tabs.